The amazing phenomenon of hiccups. What was that? Whoop. Whoop. Oh. I don't think I've seen his eyes get this big yet. He looks very surprised by these hiccups. What's wrong with him, buddy? I don't know.